Greetings, respected judges and fellow participants. We bring to you our application, CovTech, working towards a safer world. We introduce to you our team, the hackers, comprising of Khush Khanna and myself, Jishnu Saurav. We are from Vellore Institute of Technology from the 2018-2022 batch of Computer Science. So first, let me tell you what the main features of our application are. We firstly have a vaccine prioritizer, using which we prioritize people for giving them vaccines based on various features such as age, job profile, pre-existing diseases, and such other features. So this is our home page, and we just go into this. Here we click on check if you need a COVID vaccine. And the unique part of our application is that we prioritize people individually consisting all their specific characteristics. We basically take these features from the user and we pass it through our model, and it will inform the user if he needs to get a vaccine or not. We can give as age as 70. Yes, yes, yes. We get the result, and because of the conditions we've given, it says that the user is on a priority list. And now if we check of some young person, 23, no, you are not on the priority list. So this is how we are prioritizing our patients, our users. Now once we get to know that we are on the priority list, we may want to go and actually get the vaccine. So we have all the options of the possible vaccines that we have. We choose any one of them and we go into the detailed view, and we get to know if that particular vaccine is available in our city or not. If that is available in our city, we just add to cart and we can make the payment here itself. So buy now, and because we wanted to make a fully market ready product, we wanted to we've included payment gateway using Stripe. So just giving my details and proceed for payment. Pay with card. And the payment is completed. Now it says payment successful. Now once we have already chosen the vaccine, and probably we've got the vaccine as well, we can go back to the page and give our views on how we like the vaccine. So here we can add our feedback. We can just enter, I am feeling great and have no side effects. So what this will do is this would have improved our rating here automatically. So I can show it to you. I can give and post. It would have increased our rating. Had we given any negative comment like I am having fever and feeling very sick, it will decrease our rating. So this is how we order a vaccine and we can get the vaccination done. We now have a module where we take in the data for checking if the users are facing any side effects. So we ask a few questions, and based on the questions we visualize the data that we get. So what are the side effects that you're facing? Fever. If I choose fever and vote, it will give me what percentage of people are having fever and what percentage of people are having cough, what percentage of people are having headache as a side effect. If we have more than one side effect that we are facing, so we can vote again, and we'll again get the visualized data. So going back to our main application, we also have a COVID updates tab where we give the most recent updates of the corona situation. So here we have all the states and confirmed, active, recovered cases. So this is one module that we have. And another very interesting and important part of our application is we have a very fun and interesting game that helps us and motivates us to fight against corona, against the COVID pandemic. So I'll show you that. Click on wanna play some games, and our game tab opens up. We here click on play game, and we choose any one of the strains.
It's Corona time.
We just click on all the virus images that are coming. We have to clear up all this screen in order to win. And if we clear up all the screen and all the virus molecules or if we clear out all the viruses, here it will declare us as the winner. And it gives a few motivational messages in between saying, are you infected yet? If not, keep it that way and stay home, self-isolating, and such kind of motivational messages are given in between. So this is our application COVTech working towards a safer world. Thank you. So this is our application COVTech working towards a safer world. Thank you.